Hey, good evening, afternoon, morning, whatever time of day it is. Welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Tonight I have this Illinois. Can't really see that too well. There we go. This Illinois wafer lock that I picked up on eBay. I wasn't paying too much attention when I got it. It said double bitted, and I wasn't awake yet enough in the morning to realize that double bitted does not mean duo. So I have this wafer lock now, little three, that's a total of 6 wafers, 3 top, 3 bottom, that I can mess with. So as far as I can tell, I don't know how I would even go about gutting this thing. Once we really cut into it. So excuse me. So, but that's a fun little pick. Nice lock. Not a difficult pick. If you're looking for something to try out before you go for the duo, this might not be a bad thing to pick up. Pretty cheap. I think I gave $5 for it, maybe. Something like that. Yeah. So then the thing that I have to remember is the direction that I need to tension it when I pick it, because I'm not. Yeah, so go. I'll get this in the lock and the vise. That over there. That a little bit. You can see the bolt up here for when we're locked and unlocked. I got. Okay, let's do it like. Yeah, let's do it like that. Okay. 50. And we are going that way. See, I gotta remind myself. No, we go this way. So yeah, I need to push this bottom, needs to go like that. There we go. Okay. So we'll start here at the top. 1, 2, the third one. What's that? Thing to remember with wafers, it's the same thing with the duo as well. You cannot overset a wafer or the wafers in these locks. There we go. Yep. All right, now we'll go to the bottom. Let's find our wafers. Here we go. There it is. It's front one. There we go. So you can see it's not that difficult of a pick. It's kind of neat. It's different. Something other than a pin tumbler or a dimple lock with the wafers, but let's see. Trying to get this. So you see. Yeah, that arm moves the block in here. Put that down. Did look them up a little bit, a little research. A lot of times they're used on pinball machines or coin machines. These particular ones. So a little history there for you. But nothing too crazy, nothing too in-depth. To figure out how to gut it, I'll do a video of just a gut. But until that happens, this is all I got so far. So I don't know. Thanks for watching. And if nobody told you, you matter, you're important, and I'm glad you're here. Y'all have a good night.